Okay, y'all. Um, this is a part of trust the process. Designing. I landed on something that I'm really liking. Um, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna use the age I'm about to be. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna do like 500 for the number. Let's see. Okay. Let's make it like Jersey style. I don't know where my text went. I don't know what just happened. You know what? I'm not going to take it to my kids. They're up, y'all, so I'm gonna be done shortly. Not saying they're up like they just got up, but baby. Okay, I'm gonna take it down to 700. Let's see, seven. I'm gonna go with 650. Okay. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna try to drag it. Oh, hold on. Go to my number. Also, I'm gonna make my number a smart object to kind of tailor it in. Free transform now. I'm gonna pull it down. Whoops, pushing the wrong thing. Pull it down there. Oh goodness. Okay, pull it down here. Do 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 do. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna change my canvas size because I love like the sizing of it all. Inches. I'm gonna change it to 17. Width is 11. Height is 17, which is typical. And is one of the sizes that my sublimation paper can come in. Not mine, as if I'm the creator of anything sublimation paper related, but this is just giving me perspective. So, for example, not for example, but this is how I like to map my things out, like Jersey style. And when I say that, like, shoot, I don't lose my color. I have to leave it there because you see how the gradient is working. Okay. Hmm. Oh. Okay, so I like this kind of spacing with Um, I like the sizing of this in comparison to, hold on, y'all. Let's see. Take that down a notch. Mm. I'm out here. Okay, I like that. This is where I want the lady to go in relation to, yeah, I'm gonna nudge her over. That's where I want her. And I guess I'm not gonna go Jersey style. I'm gonna delete this. And then I'm gonna hit like a and whatever. More classy. So I may bring this in as a like a impact, honestly. And I'm just doing 47 because again it's my mom's birthday. I'm gonna take it to like 500. Let's see. It fills up this little space. Yeah, this is cute. Go to free transform. And I want this little part to be longer, so I'm gonna go shift and bring it down. I'm gonna bring this and on top of this, of course, change the color and size. It can be much bigger now. I'm gonna change it to like pink just or something just so I can see it. Or yellow. $47. I'm actually going to just use my gold, and I like to throw in that gold because it does not clash with colors to me, in my experience, in my design, and in my design preference, basically. Like it fits. And it's kind of adds a level of realism to it all. So I'm going to bring it actually in front of Even Bad and Bougie. Let's see how that, let's go to 250. Maybe a different font. Or let's see the and symbol character by itself. Because you can't even tell. I don't know what, but I need something right here. Well, I need and, obviously. Y'all, here looks. Oh, maybe. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's do the end symbol here. Put on the other side. Move. I'm gonna come here. Y'all, I'm not mad at this design. Let's see. Edit. Okay, y'all, I think this is it. This is the final look. Girl is on fire. Let's make it a little bigger. I like it. Move some of this so you can see and appreciate Bad Bougie and 47. Bad Bougie 47. What am I like? Buy me a drink or something. I don't know. I'm going to keep customizing it and just showing you the levels of personal you can get. I'm going to leave her. I'm not bringing in any Leo mess. See, where's my little Scorpio? Did I delete the Scorpio t-shirt? So I could have even put the 47 on the shirt. Let's see. I don't know, y'all. And again, this is again what you, again, this is again. You basically just keep editing, editing, editing. I probably would have shown my client feedback or other sets because sometimes you have stuff in your mind of what you like and it's just spot on, perfect, and exactly what they would want. So you do have to pick and choose between it. Maybe I'm trying to do too much with 47 period. Let's see, edit, free transform, so we can make this wider. Slim, not slim her on up, but bring her down, make her taller. Oops. Boom. This will allow this to be